Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I will show you the easiest way to generate a custom QR code directly inside Microsoft Word. It is fast, free, and you don't need to use any external websites. Let's get right into it. First, open a blank Word document. To create our QR code, we will use a safe and trusted Microsoft add-in. You don't even need to activate the Developer tab for this. Click on either the Home tab and click on Get Add-ins. In the Office Add-in store, click on the search bar and type QR4Office. Find QR4Office in the results, click Add, and then click Continue. A new panel will immediately appear on the right side of your workspace. Here is where you build your QR code. In the top section, choose your link type, such as HTTPS, and paste your website URL right next to it. Below that, you have full control over the design. You can change the QR code color, change the background color, and use the slider to make the image larger or smaller. A preview will update in real time. When it looks perfect, click the Insert button at the bottom. That is it! Your QR code is now in your document, ready to be scanned. If this quick tip helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.